Hello, this is Vincent Meij from Gira, Netherlands, and today we're looking at the Gira G1. The Gira G1 is a 7-inch touch panel for home and building automation, Intercom integration, Sonos integration. I'll show you a few functions. With the G1 we can, for example, display the door communication in the building. We can switch on or off some lights, heating, HVAC, but also play music on the Sonos speaker. G1 is a multifunctional device. It functions as client of an X1 server or a standalone device, or it can also work as a client for other servers, for example the Gira home server.